What is Bindu Dhyan? It's a focusing on the red dot. Any red object, round object nearby, just focus on that. Minimum of 4 minutes and in increments of 4 minutes. Do it once or twice. Once you wake up and once before going to bed. That's enough. It's kind of a retrospective. And preferably use the Bindu Dhyan poster, which will have a black background with a red dot inside. Right? Focus on the red dot. That's it. And the main focus in the Bindu Dhyan is focus on the red dot. The red dot means the burning topic for you. Live in the present. Past doesn't have any significance for you. The future is not there yet. Non-existing. So live in the present to get the best out of the present. If you're having some burning issues, think about them. Think of the solutions. You know the solutions. Alternatives. Choose the best out of that and solve it. If you have the solution, then you will not be tense. When the problem is there and you don't have the solution, the gap between them is the tension or the anxiety that you will face. Right? If line is in front of you, then you're scared and you're intense. But you know that you can capture that. You have the nets. You have the bone, cage to capture it. Then you will not feel that much tension. You have the solution to protect yourself, right? And so that way, if there is a snake in front of you, then if you know how to catch the snake, then you will not feel that much worried, right? Small kids in northern continent and the east continents, a small child will just hold the snake by its tail. They know the tactics. They're not scared at all. A person in the southern continents or the western continents, they are afraid. People are worried seeing even this much of a snake, a feet or 2 feet snake also. Not the big anacondas. Small snakes also people are afraid and run away. Even a small 1 feet or 2 feet snake also people are afraid and make a lot of hangama. So that is where your maturity, your understanding, analyzing the situation, scenario matters a lot. Get focused on the problem. There's a project deliverables you're not able to deliver. Do the retrospective with your team. Gather the inputs. Analyze them. Find out the drawbacks. And definitely the solution is there. Ultimately, you are the one who are going to do it, right? You can do it. It's only thing. If any navigations are there, if any diversions are there, that's the point where you will be losing the focus. Thus, I do quick 4-minute Bindu Dhyan. Thus, going to get you to the dot, which is most important to you. Right? Anytime, any queries, reach out to me. I'm there to help you. All the best. Bye for now.